Hey guys, welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare chas masala. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, let's turn on the stove, place a pan and add 4 tablespoons daniya, 2 tablespoons jeera and roast them well. It turns into a light brown color. It means it's roasted. So once it's done, transfer it into a plate and keep it aside. Let it get cooled. Now take a same pan and add 1/4 cup mint leaves, 1/4 cup curry leaves. Roast them well. Once done, transfer it into a plate. Now add 1 tablespoon pepper, 1 tablespoon ajwain and roast them well. Once done, transfer it into a plate. Let all ingredients get cooled. So once it's cooled, transfer it into a mixy jar and add 1 teaspoon black salt, 1 tablespoon rock salt, 1 teaspoon hing. Now let's grind all these ingredients into a fine powder. Tada! Chas masala is ready. You can store this powder. Let's transfer this into one container and let's have it with the buttermilk. Chalo, let's go. Firstly, let's take one bowl of buttermilk, add 1 tablespoon chas masala and whisk it well and transfer it into a mud pot. Keep it aside for some time, let it get cool. So once it's cooled, transfer it into glasses. You can add salt as per your taste. Now you can enjoy the summer's best and cheapest drink. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.